To print, copy, or scan, start with the PC to the left of the printer. To print, open your file either from the web or USB and click the printer icon. Make sure the printer selected is Ricoh AM430F, then click Print. Choose 8.5 by 11 as the paper size, hit Continue, and your document will print. To make a copy, lift the lid and place your paper face down, aligned to the top left corner. On the home screen, select Copy, then press Start. To scan an email, place the document just like you would to copy. From the home screen, choose Scan, then specify destinations. Enter your email using the keyboard, press Done, then hit Start. Once the scan is complete, select Finish Scan. It may take a minute or two to show up in your inbox.